Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to talk about how your business can thrive in transitioning markets. The thought of a transitioning market can be really scary. These last 6, 7, 8 years have been record-setting markets in most places. So the thought of rising interest rates, rising supply, all these different things can be really scary. So I'm going to give you a couple tips to make sure you stay ahead of the curve in any market. And it really honestly boils down to making sure we're doing the things that we should be doing in any market to make sure we're hitting on all cylinders. But you have got to make sure these are in place before the market actually shifts. So number one, efficiency. In a changing market, you're not going to have the extra income potentially to do all these experiments. You're actually going to have to hold every penny accountable. So number one, make sure you're holding every penny accountable. If you're going to spend $1, make sure it's going to bring in $1.20 or whatever it is that you need back in return. Don't waste any money. Make sure you're keeping savings aside, and kind of sticks to the 80-20 principle, where you're going to find that 20% of your advertising and 20% of your efforts are actually equaling 80% of your returns. Focus on that 20%, okay? The next thing is make sure all your systems are hitting on all cylinders. In other words, are your drip campaigns in place? Are your follow-up plans in place? Do you have your tabletop set up to make sure you're going to be doing these open houses or doing these internet leads, and you know exactly what you have to do to convert the amount you need to stay in business? All right? Last but not least, working your tail off. In a transitioning market, you outwork your competitors. If you haven't done open houses, door knocked, started a farm, if you haven't been calling all of your leads 10, 20, 30 times, now is the time to start. You want to stay ahead of the curve, focus on these 3 things, and you'll be able to explode your business in pretty much any market. Have an awesome day. Just in case, let's try that one.